Hello, everybody. I bet I'm really dark here. So I just loaded Edge back up after having quit out, and this is the first time I'm noticing getting this prompt here. So it's very interesting. The size isn't quite right, and you can't grab this and resize it, but that's not the point. It says, get the best experience with relevant responses. Allow Microsoft to access your browser web content to enable chat responses about your web pages. Okay, so it wasn't long ago. I used to turn everything off that would, you know, let anything know what I was doing in the browser. What business did it have? Everything wants to send back to mama, from autocomplete to preventing you from clicking bad links in order to defend your privacy. And there's always some reason to try and, for them to get permission to monitor. And I'm going to give it. Yes, turn it on, because I'm bleeding edge, my friends. I have not watched this week's Y-Files yet. It probably has run. I just missed it. So that's not the main one. To get to this, see, this says After Files. To get to the main one, I would click this, and then this is it. So it's one I really want to watch. I'll watch it later tonight.
In 1983,
But I pause that. Better to be looking at this guy than that other one. Anywho, who is this guy? Let's see if it has context, right? That's what we're going after here. If it knows what we are looking at, if it knows what's over here, it should just be able to tell me, who is that? Does it have context? Do I have to go a little further? Oh, sorry, something went wrong. Start over. Okay, fine. We'll start over. What am I watching? Oh, that should say start responding. Start responding. Hello, are you there? This is almost certainly because I've used up my daily or my 24-hour query limit. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Searching for, okay. Yeah, well, that was the title of that thing. It took a little while, so it was not the ideal situation. I had to do this kind of, oh, and look, it's scrawling more stuff about it. So it wasn't just that one response. So first there's this kind of stuff that's not in the bubble. Oh, that's searching for. So that was performing a search, right? That wasn't giving us the information. Now it gives us the information in this beautifully cited way that Microsoft and Bing and whoever's behind it, OpenAI, has figured out how to do. Now, so for people who haven't seen it yet, this is just lovely stuff. When you copy this, you got this little copy link here, and you copy that, and you can go over to some other location. Let's see. Yeah, it's fine. You get to see that. Notepad is how I've been demonstrating this lately. So you jump into Notepad, and you paste what you just copied. And look how it carries those citations along with it, right? So again, it doesn't have wrapping. I should make it wrap it. This is the text of the main thing there. You can see as you scroll, here's the little footnote links. And that little for there is this for here. So there's the equivalent of your Ahref anchor text, even though it's not presented as HTML, but you get the idea. And then here is the actual fully qualified URL it was looking at, and the date that I guess it performed the search and found it in search. So that already is just highly, highly cool. And if we wanted to ask something about it, no, we don't even know what to ask until we read this. It has the whole topic. don't know, let's say transcribe this. I mean, that's a lot of text I'm asking for. I have no idea, what it's going to try and send back to me now. These results may vary wildly, but this is my first experience with it, and I thought I'd capture it with you here. Oh, there's my kid, so thanks for joining me. I hope to see you again soon.
And two $10.
And don't forget to subscribe. Of course I can, kiddo.
Thank you. Sorry.